Hello and welcome to the Phoenix Studio. Today we are talking about 10 most visited city 2023. The world is book and these who do not travel read only a page is a beautiful travel quote by Saint Augustine. So here we have a list of top 10 most visited city in the world to give you some major travel goal. These lists rank by an annual international visitor. So let's start the video. Tokyo is the capital and most populous metropolitan area of Japan. This futuristic capital is an exhilarating place to explore. 12.5 million tourists visit Tokyo each year. The main attractions are Tokyo Skytree, Tokyo Tower, Disneyland, National Garden and Tokyo National Museum. Istanbul is largest city of Turkey. 13 million tourists come to Istanbul each year. Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia and many other historical buildings and modern infrastructure that attract to visitors. Kuala Lumpur is one of the fastest growing city in Asia and the largest city in Malaysia. The city is a mixture of modern and traditional architecture that is glass and concrete skyscrapers and elevated mosques. It is the combination of Western, Middle Eastern, East Asian and local influence. 13.5 million visitors go there each year. New York City is a global cultural, financial, entertainment and media center with a significant influence on commerce, healthcare and research. This is the biggest city of USA. More than 14 million international visitors come New York City each year. There are many attractions in New York City like a Central Park, National 9/11 Memorial Museum, Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building, ice skating at Rockefeller Center, theater, Times Square and green space area in New York City. Dubai is the most populous city in United Arab Emirates, rising from the desert. Dubai skyline is treatment to humankind creativity and engineering power. It is home to Burj Khalifa and man-made island Palm Island. There are many shopping malls, gold market, desert safari and many other things. 15.3 million visitors go Dubai each year. Singapore, officially the Republic of Singapore, is an sovereign island country and city-state of maritime Southeast Asia. It is home to lot of skyscraper, modern shopping mall and bustling neighborhood. It welcomes 15.8 million visitors each year. Main attractions are Marina Bay, Singapore Flyer, Night Safari, Singapore Botanic Garden. Paris is the capital and most populous city of France. It attracts millions of visitors each year and set to welcome 19 million people in 2022. Especially it is the most favorite destination for new couple. Eiffel Tower, Orsay Museum, Seine River, Grand Palace or the Temple are the main attraction. London is the capital of United Kingdom. London is the largest city of Europe with a population of just under 9 million and attracts 19.2 million from all over the world each year. There are many things you must see in London. Buckingham Palace, London Eye, Cable Car, Tower of London, Sea Life and Westminster Abbey. Hong Kong is the city and special administrative region of China. Each year approximately 22 million international visitors arrive in Hong Kong. It sports many excellent restaurants, bars and shops with historic and cultural sites. This is also home to Disneyland, Ocean Park, both of which very popular with the families. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. Each year, approximately 22.7 million international visitors arrive in Bangkok. MasterCard ranked Bangkok as a world top destination city. It is also home to some of the friendliest and most welcoming people in the world. You can find ancient temples and places sitting alongside lovely street market and pulsating nightlife scene.